In today's video, I'm going to teach you why small businesses use Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're a small team trying to get control of leads, close deals faster, and keep everyone on the same page, Pipedrive is built to make that process simple and transparent from day one. First, everything revolves around a visual sales pipeline. Picture your deals moving through clearly labeled stages like columns on a board. You can drag and drop a deal from one stage to the next, see what's stuck, and instantly spot bottlenecks. This view makes prioritizing easy. Focus on the deals with upcoming activities or those sitting too long in one stage. A quick tip here is to keep your stage names crystal clear and align them with the actual steps in your sales process, so your team always knows exactly what comes next. Next, it's straightforward to use and fast to set up. You don't need complex training or a long rollout. Most teams can get up and running quickly because the interface feels intuitive. That means more time selling and less time learning software. Start small with a single pipeline, add your products or services, and invite your team. As everyone gets comfortable, you can refine stages or add details without disrupting daily work. Pipedrive also saves time by automating repetitive tasks. Think automatic email follow-ups after a meeting, reminders when a deal goes quiet, or creating a task the moment a lead reaches a certain stage. Templates keep your messaging consistent, and scheduling rules ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Begin with 1 or 2 simple automations that mirror tasks you repeat every day, then build from there. Communication is centralized. Emails, calls, notes, and meetings live in one timeline for each contact and deal, so anyone on your team can see the full history at a glance. Sync your calendar and inbox to keep everything in one place. This cuts down on back and forth and makes handoffs seamless when someone is out or a new teammate joins. Customization and integration are also key strengths. Add custom fields that matter to your business, tailor your pipelines to different products or regions, and connect Pipedrive with the tools you already use, from invoicing to video calls. With hundreds of integrations available, your data flows smoothly without manual copying. Finally, smart analytics and forecasting bring clarity to performance. Out-of-the-box reports show conversion rates by stage, win reasons, and revenue trends, while AI-powered insights help you spot risks and opportunities early. Forecasts help you plan resources, set realistic targets, and adjust your strategy before the month gets away from you. That's why small businesses choose Pipedrive: clear visibility, quick adoption, automation that saves hours, organized communication, tailored workflows, and insights that drive growth.